Well, hello, November. Quick update here from the farm. This is one of the most beautiful seasons here. You know, in some places, November means rain, wind, cold. Here, it's just nice and warm and cozy. The leaves are turning yellow and red, not only the wineries, but our fruit trees like pomegranates and other fruit trees, and even mulberry tree. It's all beautiful. It's kind of this warm golden embrace that you feel here. The smells are sweet. I think it's just the perfect time to stop by and enjoy yourself here, whether you want to come for a tour or a tea tasting. Oh, honey in this weather with hot tea would be perfect, I'm telling you.